Today we'll show you how to add a profile picture on Etsy, so you can personalize your account and connect with other users. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign into your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to update your profile picture. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to the top right corner of the Etsy homepage, where you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings from the options. Step 3. Go to Public Profile. Within your account settings, look for the Public Profile or Profile section. Click on it to access the page where you can manage your public profile information. Step 4. Edit your profile picture. On the Public Profile page, you'll see your current profile picture displayed. Click on the Edit button or your profile picture itself to make changes. Step 5. Upload your profile picture. A dialog box will appear prompting you to upload a new profile picture. Click on the Upload button and select the image file you'd like to use as your profile picture from your computer. Step 6. Adjust your picture. After uploading your picture, you may have the option to adjust the positioning or size of the image. Follow any on-screen instructions and make adjustments if needed. Step 7. Save your changes. Once you're satisfied with your new profile picture, be sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save or Update button. Step 8. Review your profile. After saving your changes, review your public profile to ensure that your new profile picture is displayed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a profile picture on Etsy. Your new profile picture will now be visible to other users in the platform. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.